Hi everyone, this video is for my friends who are asking me how to make their own CV. So they usually ask me to edit their CV, or they used to ask me how to edit this CV. So instead of teaching one particular person, I wanted to give this out on YouTube itself so that everyone will be able to benefit from it. So I'm just going to get right into it. I'll show you how I created my CV from Canva. It's completely free. You don't need a paid account. You just need to use the free Canva account, which you can just access by going to canva.com and logging in. So I'll get right into it. I'll show you two CVs, which is the first one is going to be the previous CV, which I used to I mainly focused on trying to make it beautiful, which is at the time it was beautiful for me, but now it's not. So I'll get right into it. So this is the CV that I previously built, which is focused on trying to have big letters, showing stars and all this type of things, blah blah blah. No one cares. And you see, it's at the time it was okay for me, but now when I look at it, it looks very horrible as well. So the one that I was able to get a good understanding from all YouTube videos on how we need to structure a particular a CV. So we are trying to optimize for the recruiter to understand, okay, this guy is okay, he's into this particular field, but he's also interested in these type of things. So that's what I'm trying to focus on, this particular CV template, which I have built myself completely. So you just need to go into your Canva. I'll give you the template. You will be able to find it on the description. Just click on it and you will go to the Canva template and you can edit it. I'll show you how to do that as well. And you scroll down, you highlight the most important stuff, the work experience, and then you go into your skills. Don't try to overexpose your CV with keywords. People will talk about this. Don't do it. Just keep it as simple as possible and keep it as realistic as possible. Don't try to add buzzwords, AI and all this type of things. Just if you're into AI, obviously you have to add it, but apart from that, you have to focus on your education, and then you go into your recognitions and the reference. That's basically it. Don't try to overcomplicate it. It's basically that's it. And then you have the cover letter, which is also included in the template. You can download. So this is mainly for, I have no idea why these people want a cover letter when you have the CV, but they want to personalize it and see the people who actually go ahead and create a cover letter for a particular job. Anyways, you can download this as well and you can edit it. I use this same template it's not a template, I created it, so it's template for you but not for me. Yeah, so just download it and start using it. I'll show you how to do it now. I'm just going to open an incognito tab and you will get the link in the description. Just click on it and you will come to this page, which will then give you this button on the bottom. You can do this on the phone also, by the way, and you just click on use the template for a new design, and this will open. If you're already logged in, it will show you in this page, but if you are not logged in, it will tell you to just log in, use your Google account or just use an email account and try to log in. So if you don't know that, just go to canva.com. Anyway, you just click on the button and you will be prompted to log in. So you just do that. And once you come in here, you just need to click on this, change it to your name. So we'll make it Sarat, not Fonseca, but yeah, you get the idea. And you change the image, you go into this uploads, you upload your image here from your computer or your phone. And once you upload, you just drag it and drop it into this particular placeholder, and that will automatically change. And it's just simple. You just click on this and start typing, change it. And it's the same thing with everything else. Just go ahead and change all the content. And one thing I wanted to show you that you need to do from your end is you click on this, click here, and click on this edit button to edit your LinkedIn particular LinkedIn address. So how you get the LinkedIn address is you open your you go to LinkedIn through your phone or the browser, and then click on the share button, or just copy the top URL, the URL on your particular profile. So it should look something like this. So LinkedIn, and then in, and then Akif Munib, obviously it's going to be your name. And yeah, so basically do that, and then do the same with the icons that are on the bottom, and that's it basically. So if there's any questions, please drop it in the comments, and I'll be willing to help you from there. Thank you. Bye.